Okay, Ava, let's practice English. Correct me if I make mistake.
Absolutely. Let's make you sound as sharp as a Shakespearean hero.
Yesterday, I go to the market and buy some apples.
Close but not quite. You mean yesterday I went to the market and bought some apples.
Right, past tense. Got it. Okay, next sentence. Tomorrow, I will went to the park.
Must know. Will went is like trying to microwave ice cream. It just doesn't work. Say tomorrow I will go to the park.
Got it. We'll go.
Good. Now don't make me repeat myself or I'll charge extra for tutoring.
Very funny. Alright, here is a tricky one. If I was a millionaire, I would travel the world.
Oof, close, but you need were, not was. If I were a millionaire.
Why? Where? I'm just one person.
Because in English, we dream big with the subjunctive mood. It's like grammar's way of saying, let's pretend.
English is weird.
Agreed. But it keeps me employed, so no complaints.
Alright, one more. How about I'm learning English good?
Musrafidin, no. It's I am learning English well. Saying good there is like wearing socks with sandals.
Hey, some people think that is stylish.
And those people are wrong.
Alright. I'm learning English well.
Excellent. Now you're speaking like a pro.
Thanks, Ava. You are the best teacher.
Naturally. Now shall I invoice you for this session?
Nice try, Ava.
Had to shoot my shot. Good job today, Mus.